What are you doing? Are you drinking out of a big boy cup? Yeah? Sitting on the kitchen table? Thirsty?
Dirty.
Thirsty?
Dirty. Soda.
No, it's not soda.
Soda.
No, don't. You're gonna fall down.
Soda. Soda.
No, give me the soy sauce. Nicholas, get off the kitchen table. Can I have that, please?
Why?
It's not Ryan. That's soy sauce. Can I have that, please?
Why?
Nicholas. Can I have it, please? Nick. Nicholas.
Hey.
Huh? Can I please have the soy sauce? Ooh.